Hi YouTube, today we're going to unbox the DJI Osmo Pocket for you. Hope you like it.
I bought this package from Amazon. You could find the link in the description below. So let's see what inside. The package looks so beautiful. So let's cut this out. It's taking so much. Here is the box. Nice and classy. You could find a Osmo shield in the back side of the box. Osmo shield is basically the authentication shield for DJI products. If you're buying something from DJI, please check for the Osmo shield. Okay, we have to remove this cover also. Let me check. This is my first ever unboxing video. Let me know through your comments so that I can improve. Let's see the box first. Packaging of DJI boxes are so good. On the back side of the box, you could find the QR code. Let's open it. Here is the Osmo Pocket for you guys. Okay, let's see what else. Another box is there. Also have some user manuals. There are 3 user manuals basically. We'll check that later. Let's open the Osmo Pocket. Okay, the pocket comes up with a package also. This is basically for travel. Here is the gimbal. Camera can shoot 4K 60 frames, also 2.7K. Let's open the LCD card and the gimbal card. I have to remove the screen guard of the camera also. Let's see what inside this box. I hope the charger will be there. Few things are there. The strap is there. Here is the charger for you. Okay. Oh, the iPhone and Android connectors are also there. This one is for your iPhone. This one is for the Android devices. Yes, absolutely. Okay. Now it's time to switch on the device. Let's start it. By pressing and holding that button, you can switch on the Osmo Pocket. As you can see, it will ask for your preferred language. Selected in English. Nice. Look at the camera. It's following the movement. Okay, it's showing the device is not activated. Also the 180 by 30 frames. Okay, the resolution 1080 by 30 frames per second, also showing that. Let's download the app and switch on the device. For that we need the iPhone connector because I'm using an iPhone. That is the connector. You have to unplug the holder. Okay. After removing, you can now add that connector to. Now pressing it. Oh. Nice. Now the Osmo Pocket can directly connect to my phone. Okay, let's go to phone. Go to the App Store and search for DJI Mimo app. This app has been built by DJI specifically for Osmo Pocket. Let's download it. It will take some time. Okay, let's open it. Here is the app. You have to agree to some of its notification and all those access settings. Microphone, your photos access, all those things you need to agree. Then we have to wait for the device to connect. Okay, it is taking so much of time. Okay, it takes the device. Let's agree. This way you can connect your Osmo Pocket and activate it. If you like this video, you can like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for my future videos. Okay, the device is activated now. Let's press next. It's asking for login. Then you need to use your DJI login to activate it. 3 steps to activate it. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes to activate them. Okay. So there is something for the beginners. Let's select that. Let's skip that part. Okay, done. Now it needs some updates. Okay. So once the update process will be done, you can directly see the footage like this. Now I've connected my device to my phone successfully. As you can see, that's it from my side. Hope you like this video. Please follow me in the Instagram in this particular hashtag. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The future. Thank you.